Hello everyone, in this video we will show you how to join an Histu affiliate and earn more together. First, open Histu homepage. Pull down to the bottom of the site. Click Affiliates and go to Affiliate Program. Click Continue to register new affiliate. Input all your information including payment method. Suggest choosing PayPal to get timely payment. Click Custom Affiliate Tracking Code. You can see your unique tracking code here. Now you can go to home page and find the product you want to market. Copy the product name and paste to Tracking Link Generator. The tracking link with your tracking code will show in Tracking Link. Now you can copy the tracking link and put into your website, ads or share it in forum or blogs. You can check your transaction and account balance anytime. When balance amount reach $100, you can request paying to your account anytime. Thank you very much and looking forward to affiliate with you.